Okay, I'm very excited about this sample pack. It's dope. Stick with this video. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Skedda and today I'm gonna review my newest sample pack. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Skedda, I produce electronic music, I make free sample packs and also I make YouTube videos giving you the best tips I can. So without a lot of talking, let's go to Ableton. So guys, this is the project, it's the exact same project with the previous tutorial, I didn't have to change it, it works just fine. So I've already loaded a few sounds to show you. One from the bass loops, one from the sustained basses and one from the one shots. As you see, these are the three folders that even Morty has inside. Let's go now. Let's see all the sounds. That feels a little bit like the yawing from the Massive, if you remember. If you are OG, you remember probably. A lot of basses here, let's see. Yeah, 145, it's good. Let's take another bass, and what I'm gonna do is warp it and then make it a little bit shorter. Let's see how that sounds. Oopsie, sorry. The sustained sounds, I love them. Almost every dope rhythm track has sustained sounds like this in the back while you have your main basses. Everybody knows that. Yeah, also a little bit of EQ here, it's gonna make it a little bit softer. Let's go now. Also we have the one shots. I think that's dope, guys. I don't know what you think, but for a free sample pack, it's fine. Why not? Other people will charge for this crap. Guys, I really hope what you see right now makes you feel that it's probably worth to download it. I mean, why not? So many amazing sounds, 30 different one-shots, 52 different bass loops, and 10 different sustain basses. Dope. Let's go now. Let's go now. Yeah. Guys, don't forget, down in the comments, leave a nice comment if you think this dope and it's worth it to download it. One guy actually made a dope drop using this sound in his phone. Like he used something like FL for mobile, something like that. And he made something so dope by just using the samples. I mean, it's fairly easy to make something dope because the sounds are good, the quality is good. Guys, that's it. I don't know, I don't have to show you. Most of the sounds you saw, most of the sounds. I think it's dope, it's for free download. Just go get it. Don't think of it. So guys, that was a video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and also don't forget, the link is in the description. Just go grab your free copy. It's for free, why not? Everyone likes free stuff. Yeah. So, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's really important for me, and of course it can be important for you because a lot of my videos I try to give my best value ever. Free stuff, free advice, free tips. See you next time.